We're gonna have some Fika, yes. And it is super, super windy today. Yeah, this is gonna be tasty, tasty. Yeah. Such a nice day, but such a windy day. It is super, super windy. And you're sitting in my Fika chair here, where I'm supposed to sit and enjoy my Fika for today. Uh-oh. Yeah, what a windy. It is super sunny outside, but it is also super windy. But it is okay. Hey. How is it in this blowing wind? You having a goody time, Eddie? Yeah, you're sleepy, right? Always sleepy, always relaxing. Eddie. Hey there. Hey. How is it in this day? This Sunday? Are we having a Sunday relaxation? Yeah. Well, it is time to have some Fika now. So say bye-bye now, Eddie. Bye-bye, Mom. Bye-bye.